Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to register and join NPTEL online courses. So let's get started. Open Google Chrome browser and search for NPTEL. Here click on NPTEL online courses and certification. Here you can see NPTEL July to December 2021 semester courses. The enrollment is open for more than 500 courses. To see the list of courses, click here. Here you can see the details of all the courses having timeline of 4 weeks, 8 weeks and 12 weeks. And you can also find the starting date of the course and the ending date of the course. Also you can see the exam dates and the date on which enrollment for the course opens and enrollment closing date and exam registration open date and closing date. And there is a list of all the courses which are offered under different discipline by different departments. Here you can see the institute which is offering the course as well as duration of each course. If you scroll towards right side, you will see the links to join the course. You can go through this list and choose a course of your choice. Here I am choosing a course on Introduction to Mechanical Vibration under Mechanical Engineering discipline. To join the course, click on the link to join the course. Then you will be redirected to the course page. So here you will see the course title as well as the number of candidates who have enrolled for this particular course. And here you can see a short introductory video about the course. And on the right side, you can see the summary of the course. And if you scroll down, you will also be able to see the course layout. That is the syllabus for the course. And below this, you can see the books and references as well as biodata of the course instructor. And here you can go through the details about the course certificate as well as criteria to get a certificate. You will be eligible for a certificate only if the average assignment score is greater than or equal to 10 out of 25 and the exam score is greater than or equal to 30 out of 75. If any one of the two criteria is not met, then you will not be able to get a certificate even if the final score is greater than or equal to 40 out of 100. Now to join the course, click on Join. Then you will be redirected to Swayam login page through which you can join the NPTEL courses. If you already have an existing account, then you can log into Swayam portal using existing user ID and password. If you do not have an account, click on Sign up now to create new one. Here you have to fill your username, password and email ID. A verification code will be sent to your email which you have to verify in order to create a new account. You can also use your existing Google account or Gmail ID to log in. Click here to log in using your Gmail ID. Enter your Gmail ID. Click on Next. Enter password. Click on Next. Here, click on Continue. Here you have to fill all the details to complete your profile. Enter your name, enter your phone number, select the age group to which you belong to, and select the country in which you are currently residing. Select your profession. If you are a student, select student. and if you are a faculty, then select faculty. Select your highest qualification from the list. Here I am choosing 4-year bachelor's degree. Then choose year of graduation or the year in which you will be graduating. If your institution is a part of Swayam local chapter, then select yes here. To find out whether your institution is a part of Swayam local chapter or not, click on this link and search for your institution in the list. Then select your state. Then type your college name and select it from the list. Enter your college or university roll number. Select the degree. And then select the department. Select the study year if you are currently studying. If you have already graduated, then select not applicable. Click here to accept the terms of service and to follow the honor code. Once all the details have been filled, click on Save. Now the course registration is successful. You can access the contents of the course through this dashboard. You can see the latest announcements and details about the course, or ask a question and track your progress. Click on any week on the left side to see its contents or weekly assignments, which you have to submit before the due date is over. And to check your progress in the course, click on Progress. To see all the courses to which you have joined, click on My Courses. Here you can see the courses which you have joined, and you can also register for the exam using the link here. Thank you for watching.